welcome back to Fortnite Fun, and it's just me and my friend here, chilling. And as you can tell by the title, you're probably wondering how this can be a tornado, a cannon tornado, and yeah, and this is how. Bow. We do it with squishmallows. Oh crap! No. Wee.
Can you see this?
No. Don't tell them my name at all. Okay. Wee. My legs. Turn the ship around.
We did. What did that mean?
Stop. Okay. We're weirdos, okay? And I know we have our shorts off. What's wrong with that? Wee. Bow. Oh crap. Legs. No, I did not. Hey guys, look. I pooped out a koala. Oh my god. Hey Dad. Okay, and by the way, I was 8 whenever I did this, so yeah. But whenever I actually got my but yeah.
Skinny copter.
Stop! I hit your butt. Stop it.
This is like called the weird copter. No, you're done. You're under. You're under. Taking this?
So I'm taking this.
Don't slap me.
Give me my squeeze baby.
It's wind from the clap.
She got drip. I don't want to be in. Oh crap. Hey guys, and by the way, we are on our my eye. Well, guys, we are on our hoverboards doing this. Stop. Yeah, but we're doing this at my house, and we do go to Days Inn. No. That's just my dad. Oh!
That was hilarious. I hit my bomb. Poppy, I hit my bomb.
Hey guys, by the way, hey, my next video, it's going to be pretty cool. And, yes. Oh, wait. Yeah, that's just me and my friend being weird.
Just know that that's not real.
What?
Well, that's not real.
What?
You can't publish that.
Yes, you can actually. Other streamers use their phone stingwad. It's weird. You want to get away from me.
No.
Stop. 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 No. You stop. What? No. That's again my dad.
Oh, there you are.
No. Oh, my butt! Oh my god. Xbox 360, I think. Yeah, I'm getting some snacks. Yeah, by the way, I got a cat. I can. Hey, Colton. Well, hey, friend. Me and my friend here. Alright, by the way, kids, if you're watching this, my friend is terrified of you.
Do I have yellow teeth?
What?
Yellow teeth.
Let it do, let it die. Let it. Unholy my ball. Oh no. Colton is trying to kill me. Colton, this video is about being a tornado. He's trying to kill me. Guys, he's trying to kill me. Now I'm going to be a tornado. Look at this.
You want to try me? Wait, where'd chickpea go? Chickpea fell, put it to another. Ow! That's what you get. I feel like I did a crime. A slap, I couldn't help it. It was a slap, I couldn't help it.
It's not funny.
To us it was.
Oh, yeah? It sounded like it hurt.
It did.
What?
It did.
Yeah, you don't hit people. Got it? After we all lay down and calm down, you're not riding those things at night, because if they die, if someone breaks their neck, no one knows.
Do you know what I would do? If I didn't break my neck, then I would he's just dying is why. No, mine's not dying.
After that dies, you put it up and not riding it anymore tonight. Okay?
I'm back.
Human fruit flies, little fat guys. Oh no.
I was just not dying.
Oh. I just do it hard. I'm not going to do it. Oh. Yeah, he's just my dad. I'm just kidding, that's my dad.
Stop hitting each other.
He hit me with his shorts.
I'm just gonna turn into one, am I? Only if I sliced up in one of his
Oh crap. Well guys, this video is over. I'll see you tomorrow on Fortnite Fun.